Discord group, welcome. I have a lot to talk about. There's a lot going on in the market that's very favorable for your wallet. So what I'm going to start doing, since I don't always have the time, energy to do a full video or full update, I'm going to start doing these little 5-minute videos that are going to be posted in Discord first, and I may post them to all the other social media channels as well. But we're gonna give you a little bit something every day. Again, we're not gonna give you all of the we're not gonna give you the 20, 50, 100, 1,000 X's here. You want those, you need to go into the premium channel. I keep saying that, I keep reiterating that. I mentioned that in the last video, the last urgent message here, because nothing free in life is worth it if you're not paying attention. You have to pay attention. We talked about taking the risks to get rich. The thing is, psychologically, what happens in this market is people will see Bitcoin go up to 100,000 and possibly even 200,000 in the future. People will see Ethereum go up to 10, 12, 15, 20,000 dollars in the future, and they won't get in until near the top. That's most of you. That's what's going to happen. I mean, you're here in this channel, so you're already ahead of the usual retail investors that get in late. So I won't bundle everybody into it. There will be a few stragglers, however you say it, that will be lagging behind, and they won't get in until the price is too high, and they think it's too high now, and then the price doubles, triples, hits a 5x before they know it. So the whole point of all this is to get you ready, to get you in now into these major tokens that have already bottomed out, that have hit the bottom of the market. So you're not getting in after a 1,000% gain, because you see a big green candle and your friends made their 5x out of that, 10x, or whatever the case may be. So we're talking about this. We're going to try to talk about this as often as possible, to break you out of that spell. It's a spell where we've been educated or miseducated to think that we need to buy the green candles and sell the red candles. That's how our brain chemistry works. But you have to reverse that, and you still have a few months to figure that out if you haven't yet. But anyways, last post I talked about saying we called the 109K top. We dropped to 7,400. We talked about it hitting somewhere between 82K and 73K before we bounce back up to 121K. And that's exactly what we did. And you have to watch these videos. They're free. These videos are free. I'm giving you these forward targets in order to possibly make a change in your life. Moving on, if you want to get into just the top 10, top 20, what seem to be safe tokens, the top 20 is going to shift between, the top 100 is going to shift the top 20, the top 20 is going to shift in the top 10. But if you want to get into those safe, quote unquote, safe tokens, then we talk about them. We go over targets in the members group. If you want to get into the top, the top 500 tokens that'll possibly make, do 20 to possibly 1,000x, then you have to get into the premium group and obviously where the go to the start a membership here link in the Discord. But moving on from that, again, we only have a less than a minute left, but this is just to talk about what you're missing out on. Yeah, you're getting a little sneak peek into what the members get at the moment. There's only one video for that. You have here's the price of what Grok 3 said Bitcoin would be at the end of 2025. Go check that video out. How some -99% shitcoins go crazy at the end of the bull market. That's me trying to give you a tip on how to get into these tokens early. You have to get in now, but you have to join the premium group. We also have altcoin season imminent. We've been talking about it. We've been saying this. This was a month ago. We've been talking about well before it happened. We got in at the bottom. All this research is done so we can get in at the maximum value of these tokens at the lowest possible risk as the price goes up. What else do we have? We have some 1-minute scalping strategies. You want to learn all that, you have to join the members group in order to learn how to truly set up your scalping strategy. But you also have to become, I suggest you become a seasoned trader by then. So we're gonna wrap this up now, but look at all these videos we talked about, and scrolling down, we looked at MicroStrategy, Rivian, Tesla, MicroStrategy possibly going to $1,000 now. Everybody's paying attention to it. Will XRP go to, where is it? XRP go to $5.89. And what are we at right now? We're at $3.60. You got to pay attention to these videos. We're going to leave it at that, and we'll talk to you guys later. Bye.